My day start off at 8 AM alarm. Scroll some Facebook before I get up from bed. Get myself ready with my favorite music played via Spotify. The loud quad speaker can be listened even in shower. Prepare my breakfast and coffee to go along with IG timeline. Now I start my work by transferring some of my photos that I took from the HUAWEI P40 Pro via HUAWEI Multiscreen collaboration. Edit some photos with my favorite photo editing tool Snapseed. It's lunchtime. Knowledge are unlimited. Learn how to steam fish by watching cooking show on online. Continue my work. It's 3:15, meaning it's tea time. Ordering my favorite drinks through Grab apps. Have a high definition conference call with friends over on HUAWEI MatePad. Have a short break and play some games to relax. Draft my proposals and print out with printers. It's 6:15, shall make a quick dinner. Watch some movies via HUAWEI Video. Sharing on a big screen for more leisure entertainment. Have a quick game before sleep. That's my day with HUAWEI MatePad Pro that I can't live without.